สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe I'm much better now thank you for your message I really appreciate it so I'm back with a real recipe it's duck stew soup with herbs and noodle in Thai we call it Kuay Teaw Ped Toon are you ready let's go For soup, palo powder, palm sugar, soybean seasoning sauce, galangal, coriander root, garlic, Sichuan pepper, star anise, black pepper, cinnamon stick, oyster sauce, black soy sauce, duck, soy sauce, and for noodle, rice noodle, Chinese broccoli. First step is the soup. It's quite long to cook, so I will prepare ingredients for the soup now. Cut the galangal. And pound it in the mortar. Just pound it a bit to give a good smell for the soup. I basically use a mortar just to peel a garlic. And finally, coriander root. For the soup, I will add all ingredients in the water. Then add duck and let it cook for 2 hours. Add all ingredients. Add water. Wait 2 to 3 minutes, then stir. Cook for 15 minutes. Add duck. As you can see, I have quite small pot. Did you hear that? See? Let it cook for 2 hours. Done. First, I will remove the duck. Then the herbs. Now duck and soup are ready. Let's prepare our noodles. Cut Chinese broccoli into a bite size for noodle soup. For noodle, you can cook it only 1 to 2 minutes maximum. The duck is so tender and the soup is so tasty. Yummy. And voila! Bon appetit! There is different ways to actually eat ped palo. Some people will save the duck and use the soup for something else. Some others, as my grandpa, he will eat it with rice. For me, I prefer to eat with noodles. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you enjoyed the video. Let's reach 1000 subscribers! You can also share as much as you want. But most importantly, shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye. And finally, bang the one. สวัสดีค่ะ everyone. Monday, new recipe. Let's reach 100 subscriber or just 100. Let's reach 1000.